November 17th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Pluck the feather that is the correct way to write a ratio for the number of sunflowers to the total number of flowers in the table below. All right, so this table, we're going to look down here for the flowers and how many there are. So there's sunflowers, there's 9 of them, and then tulips, there are 7 of them. So we're going to figure out the ratio of the number of sunflowers. So I am going to highlight that. So sunflowers, oh, maybe I should do that like an orangey because sunflowers are yellowy orangey, to the total number of flowers. So sunflowers to the total number of flowers. So that 2 is going to separate what we are finding. So I am actually going to the total number of flowers. I'm going to highlight all of that in our green. There we go. Perfect. All right, so sunflowers. How many sunflowers are there? I know there's 9 sunflowers. And then, so 9 is going to go first. And then how many total are there? So to figure out total, we need to add them together. So 9 plus 7 is going to be 16. So first is our 9 sunflowers, so 9 to 16. So let's see. 9 to 16, nope. 9 to 16, nope. 9 to 16, nope. 9 to 16, yep. Let's double check. 9 to 16, nope. 9 to 16, nope. So it is going to be our orange feather. So that's the feather we are plucking. And great job. So that is our vocabulary.